Now it's time to talk about something that affects all of us on a daily basis: money. Yes, we are diving into the world of global economic governance, the complex system of rules, institutions, and policies that shape the global economy. So, grab your virtual wallets, put on your economist hats, and get ready to explore the money game, the trade tango, and the quest for development. The global economy, a wild ride. The global economy is like a roller coaster. It's thrilling, unpredictable, and sometimes downright scary. One day, markets are soaring, and the next, they're crashing. One country might be experiencing a boom while another is mired in recession. And amidst all this chaos, billions of people are trying to make a living, raise a family, and build a better future. Global economic governance is about trying to manage this wild ride. It's about setting rules for trade, regulating financial markets, and promoting economic development. It's about ensuring that the global economy benefits everyone, not just the rich and powerful. The key players in global economic governance. Who is calling the shots in the global economy? Well, it's a team effort with a diverse cast of characters. States. They set economic policies, negotiate trade agreements, and regulate financial markets within their borders. International organizations. The IMF, World Bank, and WTO are the big players setting global economic standards, providing financial assistance, and resolving trade disputes. Multinational corporations. These economic giants wield enormous power, influencing trade flows, investment patterns, and even government policies. Civil society organizations. NGOs, labor unions, and consumer groups advocate for fair trade, sustainable development, and workers' rights. The big issues in global economic governance. There is no shortage of hot-button issues in global economic governance. Trade wars and protectionism. Countries sometimes slap tariffs and other barriers on imports to protect their domestic industries, leading to trade wars that can harm everyone. Financial crisis. The global financial system is prone to booms and busts, and when things go wrong, the consequences can be devastating for millions of people. Inequality. The gap between rich and poor countries and between the rich and poor within countries is a major source of instability and injustice. Sustainable development. How can we promote economic growth without destroying the environment or depleting resources for future generations? Successes and failures of global economic governance. The global economy has made tremendous progress in recent decades, lifting millions out of poverty and expanding opportunities for trade and investment. But it's also been marred by crisis, inequality, and environmental degradation. Global governance has played a role in both the successes and the failures. Successes. The creation of a global trading system that has facilitated unprecedented economic growth. The establishment of international financial institutions that have helped to stabilize the global economy. The adoption of international agreements and standards that have promoted sustainable development and environmental protection. Failures. The inability to prevent financial crises and their devastating consequences. The persistence of global inequality and poverty. The slow progress on tackling climate change and other environmental challenges. The future of global economic governance. The global economy is constantly evolving with new challenges and opportunities emerging all the time. Global governance will need to adapt to keep pace. This will require greater cooperation between states, international organizations, and non-state actors. It will also require a rethinking of some of the fundamental assumptions of global economic governance, such as the primacy of free trade and the role of multinational corporations. Global economic governance is a complex and contested field, but it is also one of the most important. The decisions made in this arena affect our jobs, our livelihoods, and our future. By understanding the key players, the big issues, and the challenges and opportunities of global economic governance, we can all play a part in shaping a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous global economy.